Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon naman ang ipapakita ko sa inyo ay isang amazing AI technology that can help you to clean up your photo. Yung mga gusto nyong burahin ng mga text, people, or mga unwanted object, in just seconds, hindi ka nagagamit ng Adobe Photoshop. It's called Clean Up Pictures. So, ang technology ito is perfect for anyone na gustong mag-improve or pagandahin yung kanilang photos or linisin yung kanilang photos and make them look more professional. So, pakita natin how it works. So, meron tayong photo dito na gusto kong linisin. Kung makikita nyo, there are some unwanted objects in the background na gusto kong tanggalin. So, upload lang natin siya. Then, all I have to do, select lang natin yung gusto nating tanggalin and click remove. So, i-analyze ni AI yung picture. Then, tatanggalin niya yung selected nating object in just a few seconds. Yan! Wow! Ang bilis, natanggal na niya agad, oh. So, hindi ka na magpapakahirap gamitin ang Adobe Photoshop. Lalo na kung hindi ka marunong gumamit ng Photoshop. So, nakikita nyo, yung unwanted objects na sinelect natin have completely removed from the photo, making it look much cleaner and more professional. Hindi lang yan. Clean Up Pictures can also remove yung mga defects, like yung mga dumi, mga scratches, yung mga people who are photobombing your pictures, yung mga text na gusto mong tanggalin. Napaka-powerful tool niya that can help you create amazing photos in just a few clicks. So whether you are a professional photographer or just someone who wants to improve their photos, makakatulong itong Clean Up Pictures. This is the perfect tool for you. Try it out for yourself and see how it easy to make your photos look amazing. That's all for today. I hope nag-enjoy kayo learning about the amazing Clean Up Pictures AI. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.